Welcome to diploma classes. We are solving one problem here. Question integral cos 6x sin 2x dx. We have to compare this question to the formula 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b cos ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 పక్కన cos ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ sin a minus b. Okay, here we are not having 2. Now multiply and divide by 2. Okay, 2 by 2 integral cos 6x sin 2x dx. 2 అనే లోపల తీసుకెళ్దామండి. 1/2 must become inside of integral 2 cos 6x sin 2x dx. Okay, by comparing this one to this formula 2 cos a means 6x a and sin b means 2x. Now write like this: sin a plus b 6x plus 2x minus sin a minus b 6x minus 2x, okay, dx. Then we can get of integral sin 6x plus 2x 8x minus sin 6x minus 2x 4x, okay, dx. Now we have to substitute, we have to separate and write for the sin 8x and sin 4x of integral sin 8x dx, okay, minus of integral sin 4x dx. By using of integration formula, integral sin ax dx is equal to minus cos ax by a plus c. Okay, now we can write of minus cos 8x by 8 minus of minus cos 4x by 4 plus c. We have to compare this formula to this formula regarding to this one. Okay, sin 8x is be like shows like sin ax dx. Now we have to write minus cos ax by a sin